1. What is your job? Hello. Hi, is this Clara?
No, this isn't Clara.
Well, who is this?
I'm Layla.
Oh, I'm sorry, I got the wrong number.
That's okay.
Excuse me, Layla, do you know Clara?
No, I don't know Clara.
Well, anyway, what do you do, Layla?
Me? I'm a secretary.
A secretary, I see. So what do secretaries do?
I do many things.
Really?
Yes, I type letters.
You type letters?
Yes, and I answer the phone.
So you type letters and answer the phone.
And I make photocopies.
Oh, you're very busy. You type letters, answer the phone, and you make photocopies.
I also make coffee and do filing.
You can do many things.
Yes, I'm very busy. What do you do?
I'm a plumber.
Plumber? Oh, what do you do?
Well, I'm very busy. Also, I usually fix pipes.
Fix pipes? What kind of pipes?
Well, water pipes. I fix bathroom pipes.
Oh, I see. You fix pipes and bathrooms.
Yes, and I fix kitchen pipes too.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. And do you like your job?
Some days I do, and some days I don't. Oh, I have to go now.
Oh, well, it was nice talking to you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Layla, what are you doing?
I'm talking on the phone.
Well, did you fix the coffee?
Yes, I made the coffee.
Thank you. Did you do the typing?
Yes, I did the typing.
And did you do the filing?
Yes, I did the filing.
Thank you. And did you do the photocopies?
Yes, I did the photocopies.
Thank you. Oh, Layla.
Yes?
I called the plumber a few minutes ago to fix the pipes in the bathroom.
Did you call the plumber?
Yes, to fix the pipes in the bathroom.
Oh, all right. Come in.
Hi, I'm the plumber. I'm here to fix the pipes in the bathroom.
Oh, hello. The bathroom is over there.
Okay, thank you.
Unit 2. Why don't you wear this shirt?
I'm going to the movies with Layla tonight. Hey, Layla's nice. I like her a lot, but Eric, I don't know what to wear. I can help you. Okay. Why don't you wear this purple shirt? I don't want to wear a purple shirt. Why not? It's too old. Okay, why don't you wear this white shirt? A white shirt? It's a nice shirt. It's for work, not for a movie. Okay, why don't you wear this blue shirt? I don't want to wear a blue shirt. Okay. Oh, why don't you wear this green sweater? I can't wear a sweater. Why not? It's too hot. Okay. Why don't you wear this yellow polo? I can't wear this yellow polo. Why not? It's too small. Okay, why don't you wear this brown shirt? It's nice. It's ugly. Well... Oh, why don't I wear this shirt? You can't wear that shirt. Why not? It's mine. Oh, thanks, Eric. You're nice. I'm... Yes, and what would you like to drink tonight? Why don't we have wine?
No, I don't want wine.
Why don't we have beer?
No, I don't like beer.
Well, why don't we have orange juice?
No, why don't we have water?
Okay, waiter, we'll have 2 glasses of water. Certainly, sir, 2 glasses of water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, and what would you like for dinner tonight? Why don't we have a salad?
Tim, I don't want the salad.
Why don't we have soup?
I'm hungry. I don't want soup.
What do you want?
Why don't we have steak?
Oh, why don't we have hamburgers?
You want hamburgers?
Well,
Why don't you go to McDonald's?
waiter, we'll have 2 steaks, please. 2 steaks, certainly, sir.
Unit 1. I think I need a new job. Hello, Mr. Mark's office.
Yes, is Mr. Mark in?
Just a moment, please. No, I'm sorry, he isn't in.
Where is he?
I think he's in a meeting.
In a meeting?
Yes, I think so.
Will he be back by 2 o'clock?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Selena. Hi, Laura. Does Mr. Mark have a meeting tomorrow? I think he has a meeting. Can you check? No, I can't. Why not? My nails are wet. Can't I check? Sure. Thanks. Yes, he does have a meeting tomorrow. Thanks, Selena. You're welcome, Laura. Bye. Bye. Oh no, not again. Hello, Mr. Mark's office. Hello? Hello? Hello, Mr. Mark's office.
Selena, this is Mr. Mark.
Oh, hello, Mr. Mark.
Selena, do I have a meeting tomorrow?
I think you have a meeting tomorrow.
What time is my meeting?
I'm not sure.
Well, can you check?
Sure, Mr. Mark, just a moment.
Hello, Selena?
Yes, Mr. Mark, just a moment, please. Hello, Mr. Mark? Hello? Hello? I think I need a new job. Unit 2. I love you too.
Layla, I like you.
I like you too, Tim.
No kidding, I really like you.
I like you too.
No, you don't understand. I like you a lot.
Tim, I like you a lot too.
Really?
Yes.
Layla?
What, Tim?
Layla, I love you.
I love you too, Tim.
You love me too?
Yes.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy too, Tim.
I'm so happy, Layla. I want to sing. I want to sing, Layla. Don't you want to sing?
No, I want to eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, Layla.
Unit 3. Who is it for? Oh, this clock is beautiful. Yes, it is. Who's this for? That's for my aunt. Oh, and this photo album, it's so nice. Who's this for? That's for my uncle. Oh, your uncle. Uh-huh. And this diary, who is that for? The diary, that's for my boss. Oh, and this book, who is this for? That one? Oh, that's for my brother. Oh, and this telephone, who is this for? Oh yeah, that telephone is for my sister. She loves talking on the telephone.
Oh, this watch. It's beautiful.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's really nice.
That's for my mom.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, that's cologne.
Oh, who is this for?
That's for my dad.
What are these?
Oh, those are presents for my friends.
For your friends?
Yeah, this one is for Daniel.
Oh, who is this one for?
This one is for Peter.
Pretty. And who is this for?
And this one is for Laura.
Oh, I see.
And this one's for you.
Oh, Selena.